Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Samsung Pay on your phone for convenient contactless payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up this secure payment method. Step 1. Open the Samsung Pay app on your Samsung device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign in with your Samsung account credentials. If you don't have a Samsung account, you'll need to create one during this process. Step 3. Read and accept the terms and conditions for using Samsung Pay. Make sure to review the privacy policy and service agreement. Step 4. Add your first payment card by tapping the Add Card button. You can add credit cards, debit cards, or compatible rewards cards. Step 5. Use your phone's camera to scan your card or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 6. Verify your card by entering the verification code sent to your phone via SMS or email from your card issuer. Step 7. Set up your preferred authentication method, such as fingerprint, PIN, or iris scan. This adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. Step 8. Test your Samsung Pay by making a small purchase at a compatible payment terminal. Simply swipe up on your screen and authenticate to complete the payment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.